Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video I am going to show you some elegant cottage home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. It creates a home that feels warm, comfortable and sophisticated without being overly formal. Here are some elegant cottage home decor tips to help you create a warm, timeless, and sophisticated home. Layer linen, cotton, and knitted textiles for a cozy feel. Decorate with fresh flowers or dried lavender in ceramic vases. Add vintage mirrors to reflect light and make rooms feel larger. Use elegant table lamps with linen or pleated fabric shades. Incorporate floral, towel, or gingham fabrics in moderation. Install sheer curtains to maximize natural light. Decorate shelves with books, candles, pottery, and oven baskets. Use distressed or whitewashed furniture for classic cottage charm. Add natural oven baskets for both storage and decoration. Layered area rugs made of jute, wool, or cotton. Include brass or antique gold hardware on cabinets and drawers. Decorate with vintage-inspired clocks, lanterns, and candle holders. Keep countertops and tables uncluttered for an elegant look. Add indoor plants such as ferns, ivy, or eucalyptus for freshness. Create cozy reading corners with a comfortable chair, throw blanket, and side table. Mix old and new pages to give your home character while keeping it fresh and functional. Choose furniture with graceful curves instead of sharp, modern lines. Decorate with white or cream ceramic vases for a timeless look. Layer different shades of the same neutral color to add depth. Use natural stone or marble accessories for a subtle touch of luxury. Hang botanical or vintage landscape artwork in classic wooden frames. Style your coffee table with books, candles, and a small floral arrangement. Display antique teacups, pitchers, or dishes on open shelves. Replace plastic storage with oven baskets or wooden crates. Use linen tablecloths and cloth napkins for everyday dining. Incorporate soft floral scents with candles and dried flowers. Mix matte and glossy finishes to create visual interest. Add bedboard or shiplap walls for classic cottage character. Use warm white lighting to create a relaxing atmosphere. Include handcrafted decor such as crocheted blankets, pillow covers, or table turners for a personal touch. Keep decorations balanced, leaving some open space to avoid a crowded look. Display seasonal greenery such as eucalyptus in summer or pine branches in winter. Choose timeless decor pieces over trendy accessories for lasting appeal. Finish every room with one standout focal point, such as a beautiful fireplace, antique cabinet, or elegant candelier. Decorate with vintage-inspired ceramic pitchers filled with seasonal flowers. Choose light oak or weathered wood furniture for a soft, natural look. Add delicate lace or embroidered accents to cushions and table linens. Display collections of antique books on open shelves. Display collections of antique books on open shelves. Use oven pendant lights or rattan lampshades for natural texture. Incorporate soft floral wallpaper on one feature wall. Style your mantel with candles, framed artwork, and greenery. Choose furniture with turned legs and classic detailing. Add a large oven basket beside the sofa to store blankets. Decorate with handmade pottery and stoneware for an authentic cottage feel. Use vintage-style brush hooks for coats, hats, and baskets. Mix fresh greenery with dried flowers for year-round beauty. Hang linen cafe curtains in the kitchen for a bright, airy look. Add a distressed wooden tray to organize coffee table accessories. Decorate with antique-inspired lanterns on porches or entryways. Keep a consistent color palette throughout the home for a calm, elegant flow. Paint walls in warm white to create a bright, airy backdrop. Place fresh herbs in terracotta pots on kitchen windowsills. Choose slip-covered dining chairs in natural linen fabrics. Display oven trays on coffee tables and ottomans. Use soft velvet cushions sparingly for a touch of elegance. Incorporate scalloped edge decor such as mirrors or trays. Hang a wreath made of eucalyptus, lavender, or olive branches on your front door. A style bedside table with a ceramic lamp, box, and a small vase of flowers. Decorate with vintage-inspired clocks, skulls, or animal wear in the kitchen. Choose handmade crochet accents such as table runners, cushion covers, or drawers to add warmth and personality. Layer candles of different heights on trays for a soft evening glow. Mix elegant crystal pitches with rustic wooden decor for a balanced cottage look. Focus on quality over quantity by decorating with meaningful, timeless pieces rather than filling every surface. Create a welcoming entryway with a vintage console table and fresh flowers. Thanks for watching the video.